much darker yellow than I thought it would be. You think?
Mm-hmm.
Are they... Wow, feel how hard those are.
They have weights in them, I think.
That's weird. You can't even charge it with that, I don't think. And I don't have something that small. That's just a bound. That's, yeah. That's that part. It comes with a dual stick. That's pretty cool.
So what do I need? Like just a USB?
A block. It's heavy.
Can I hold the other side?
Everything goes in the back of it. How do you open it? Don't you have to like spin something?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure. Really? Because I'm pretty sure there's rebar in the back of here. 3 of them, cut pieces. Same exact one.
What, for weight?
For weight.
No, this one doesn't have that, I don't believe.
I think it does. I'm pretty sure you have to unscrew it to open it.
Oh, that's right here, I think.
I don't believe it's that.
Oh, it is underneath.
I think it's underneath. Yeah, it is underneath.
I still need to screw.
Really?
Yeah.
That's scary. Yeah, there's no doors on it, but there is lights. I'm pretty sure there's a blue... Isn't there a blue and red light inside of it?
The red, I believe, are in the back, right here.
No, there's a blue and red blinking light on the inside of it. It looks like police lights.
And
these aren't hydraulic, right? Isn't this just...
Those are just simulation hydraulic.
No, so that would be...
No, to the sim.
Look.
Oh, that's why it only turns on when you do that, because it...
Go ahead. It's hard to do, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.